Hi everyone and welcome. Today's video is going to be a deep clean and organize of my pantry and my refrigerator. And let me tell you, it needs some work. But before I get into the video, I wanted to introduce myself. My name is Danielle and I'm from St. Albert, Alberta. I'm a mama of two. My daughter Rhea will be 2 at the beginning of February. I can't believe that's happening like right away. And my son Cohen, he'll be 4 months at the end of January here. So yeah, I'm busy, but I still make time to clean and organize my house because I love to be organized and I love a clean house, especially a clean kitchen. I will be uploading a lot of content here on YouTube, mostly mama related because that's just my life, and cleaning and organizing videos. So if you have a pantry or a fridge that needs some love, hopefully this video will be some motivation, because I know that I love to watch these kind of videos. It helps motivate me, so I'm just passing it along to all of you. Let's get into it. So we're gonna start with the pantry, and here it is. Please do not judge me. It is a hot mess. There is no rhyme or reason for anything. Yeah, so we go to Costco a lot and we get like a lot of big boxes of stuff. So as you can see, applesauce right there, oranges, KD, goldfish, pop, like yeah, there's a lot of boxes of stuff. So I already have these clear containers and I'm just going to take everything out of the boxes. So yes, let's just get into this. I'm gonna take everything out, and so I just have a clean slate. Yeah, so let's just get started.
Keep on telling lies. That is how we stay alive. So you know that I don't mind about what is wrong and what is right. We keep moving in different rhythms. Still I know what you feel. We keep moving in different rhythms.
You don't realize how much stuff you have until you take it out of the place that it was just collecting dust and stored in. So I kept a lot of stuff in here just because I'm going to move just some things around. So like up above here, I can move all of these big appliances. I think I'm going to move them above our fridge because I don't think there's really anything in there. Like I'm gonna throw out some stuff that we haven't used in a while. Like I'm sure that this granola isn't good anymore. So I'm just gonna go through stuff without taking it out because there are a lot of little pieces in here. These are all my spices. So yeah, but kitchen is a mess right now. Kind of a disaster.
Stepped into my life, such a magic feeling when you tore down my walls. I wish I could go back to right before you told me I'd try to change it all. But look at us now, we could have gone so far. It hurts to realize we're parted. Yeah, us now, this is who we are. And I just know things will never be the same. We're like strangers again, again, again. Strangers again, again, again. We're like strangers again, again, again. I just know things will never be the same. We're like strangers again. I thought we'd never fall. Could have tried much harder. Now all we have are scars. You said we'd get so high, higher up than heaven. You said we'd reach the stars. But look at us now, could have gone so far. It hurts to realize we're parted. Yeah, look at us now, this is who we are. And I just know things will never be the same. We're like strangers again, again, again. Strangers again, again, again. We're like strangers again, again, again. I just know things will never be the same. We're like strangers again. Strangers again. Strangers again. Now that we parted, I better get started. It's time to get my head up again. You said that you had to. I'll try to forget you. Just didn't think we'd end up this way, like strangers again. Strangers again. Oh, I know things will never be the same. Like strangers again. Like strangers again. Like strangers again.
Always think of you when spring comes, like it's something in the air at that time. Don't know why. Always dream of you when spring comes. It's like the heat on my skin takes me back to the time met you on a Friday, halfway out at the door of the club, playing soul on the weekends. Stayed in bed till Wednesday. Fell in love with you right there and then. I was young, couldn't see that.
All right, so here we go. Much better. I kept some things in boxes because I don't have the largest pantry, so I couldn't really find like a lot of room to take them out of the boxes, but much better. Everything has a place and a lot more floor room, so I can actually walk in. But yeah, so I got all my baking stuff up here. And then we have cereal and we have spices and like all my baking supplies. And we have some miscellaneous stuff back there. We have crackers. We have all of Rhea's snacks. We have a huge tub of Rice Krispies and Bear Paws. That's all that's in there. Like, look at my hand. Like, that's how big that thing is. And then we have all of my garbage bags, sandwich bags, tin foil, stuff like that. Pop. All the backstock stuff is down here. Party supplies like plates and cups. And then we have Ryan's protein powder, all his workout stuff. Canned goods are back here on a Lazy Susan. All right, we have crackers, snack stuff, chips, my coffee, and then we have oils and all the stuff to make pasta. And then up here we have more oils, vinegar. We have a lot of back stock stuff up there. And then these two, my crock pot and my Actifry, I use those quite a bit. So, and then we're back to the beginning. So yes, this is the after shot. I feel so good about this. It took a while, but it looks good. And I'm very happy about it. And hopefully it stays this way, but it probably won't. Okay, so now the fridge. Very cluttered and dirty. It needs to be clean and organized really, really badly. So I don't really have a lot of clear bins for this, but I'm just going to place everything. Clean everything, take everything out, clean it, and place it back in. So this is before. Okay, so I'm gonna take everything out and clean it, and yeah, let's get started.
It must be in the way you move. Just say you want me to. We got nothing to lose. You're looking so old. You're looking so old. Now I'm moving closer to you, and it's getting dark in this room. Tell me what you wanna do. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love you, let me love you. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love, baby, let me love you. Just say the word and we can leave this place. I'll take you anywhere you want. As long as we're together, everything we'll do. You got me going, oh, you got me going, oh. Now I'm moving closer to you, and it's getting dark in this room. Tell me what you wanna do. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love you, let me love you. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love, baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love you, let me love you. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love, baby, let me love you. When I look in your eyes, I don't know how, but it feels like I'm drunk on you. It's almost like you make me fly. And when I look at you smile, I don't know how, but it feels like I'm drunk on you. It feels like I'm drunk on you. It feels like I'm drunk on you. Ooh! Let me love you. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love you, let me love you. Baby, let me love you, let me love you. Let me love, let me love, let me love you. Let me love you. Let me feel your love again. 'Cause I've been running round in circles, screaming out your name. Take me to a different place. Just the two of us, and we can stay up all night, kissing under streetlights, doing what we want to, doing what we need to do. Staying up all night, every everything is alright. Oh, I wanna be with you. Oh, I wanna be with you. Let me be that someone who can hold your hand. I don't even know if you can understand how you make me feel. I got you in my head. Oh, I wanna be with you. Oh, I wanna be with you. Let me be that someone who can hold your hand. I don't even know if you can understand how you make me feel. I got you in my head. Oh, I wanna be with you. Oh, I wanna be with you. Be with you.
Okay, so here's the after. All clean, disinfected, organized. So yeah, way better. I can like actually see everything and I know where everything is. Meat and cheese in there. Vegetables. And fruit. Just apples in there for now. Yay. Alright, so that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I am exhausted. I need like 2 cups of coffee to recover from all of that. Stay tuned for more videos like this and all things mama. I can hear my baby crying, so I have to go get him. But I'll see you guys later. Bye.